Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this daily newspaper of Thursday, October the 10th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the 4 Stars Sudoku. It's time for the 4 Stars Sudoku, by the way. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 4 of them, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. News of the day, well, the biggest hurricane Milton is in Florida, or over Florida or through Florida. It's the biggest hurricane in the last 30 years, 40 years. Enough about the weather. This one will be number 9412. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 24, yeah. It's a truly 4 Stars Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 2s. We have here 4 3s. We have here 3 4s, 2 5s, 1 6, 2 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 3s are a majority. Can I start with 3? Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3 3 3 3 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. 8 8 8 8 8. 7 2. Need a 3 here. Well, need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in the last row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 5 5 5. I need a 7 here. Need a 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Need a 4 here. Well, then. Yeah, 2 2 2 2 2 2. Thinking. No 2 2 2 2 2. Come on. 3 and a 5 here. Come on. Need a 5 there. We have a pair in this big square. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5 6 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. We have a 7 in the column next, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 5 and the 6 are left. Okay. Need a 3 there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column the only 3 places left of the 3 should be here, here or there. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 in the row above, no 3 there. The only place left of the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see this is number 1, number 3. Alright. Need a 7 there, need a 7 there, need a 7 here. And I need a 7 there. Well. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this middle row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and we have a pair. The 4 and the 7 in the first row, the 4 and the 7 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, okay. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. The 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. And one of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Mark those 2 boxes with 1. We have 1 now in the first column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 and 9, we have a 2 now in this row, no middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left now in this second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. And I need a 4 here. 4, 4. Need a 5 here. In this row, we need a 5. Here can be a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Then, yeah, 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 6. Let me mark those. 7 and 6, and I need a 4 here. Need a 2 there. No 2. 2, 2, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 in this box. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 box left now in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. These are 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. Thank you.
Ben je wel weer de weg van?
Ja.
Waarom niet?
Nou, niet erg. Thomas, bedankt.
Ja?
Bedankt. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1. 5, 6, and need a 1 here. 5, 6, and you need a 9 here. Alright, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 5, and a 6. Okay. Need a 4 here. Come on. 8, 8. And I need a 2 here. 2, 2. Oh, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next down, the place left the 2, should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9, 9. Need an 8 here or there. 7, 6, and need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Come on, come on, come on. 2 and 8. Well, we need an 8 in. Well, no. 2, 8, and 6. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Overlooked. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and 8. We have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need 7 there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left, 7. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 7, here we have a 7, that means in this column we need a 7 there. Okay, 7 on a 6, we have a 7 here, so this box should be a 6. 7 on a 6, we have a 6 there, so this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 7, we have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next down, the 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in the middle column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the middle column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here 1 and 8 are missing in this last row. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 here, so this box should be a 1. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. 30 minutes. Wow, surprise. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. 4, 3. No 4, no 3, no 2, no 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.